The album is called The Sound of a Woman.
Right.
What is the sound of a woman? That's my question.
Is it hip-hop?
I'm going to ask you that question. Is it what?
Is it hip-hop?
It's definitely hip-hop.
The sound of a woman, I think, is just shh.
Exactly.
I say that quite a lot. My husband has an idea.
Exactly.
Less.
Enough. That's another one.
Here, Claude, I've got a up. Yeah, go make the bed. Make him do his homework. No more words.
One of my favourite noises a woman's ever made. I was in.
Oh,
wow.
Wait a minute. Wow.
I saw a lady see Johnny Depp in the street. This is probably about 20 years ago. In the noise, I'll never do it justice, but she saw it, went, and it was so just, and you could sort of see it happening as he's walking down various women. He was just sort of gliding down the street, just causing various noises.
I can do something, but it's filthy.
Do it. Just do it right now before.
No.
Yes.
I was just making conversation. I can't do it.
No, you're doing it.
I'll tell you what I can do. I can do an extraordinary, but it's audio only, horse impression.
Do you want to go round the back so that we can only hear you?
And I have used it in foreplay.
You make them laugh.
Are you ready?
Hang a minute.
It's audio. Just imagine, wedding night, 28 years, guys. Ready? He's like, are you coming to bed?
Yes.
I get pretend hooves on. I don't. Great. Are you ready?
We all would. Yeah.
That is the sound of a woman.